Hello everyone, so before we get into this video, I want to say two things. First thing, it's been so long since I uploaded a video, I know. My next one's probably going to be a few weeks, maybe 2 weeks from now. The reason for that is I just moved, and this is the new kitchen where you'll see everything. Everything is not quite set up yet. I'm not even ready to cook. I still even have the plastic on the oven. Nothing has been used. I haven't cooked anything in here yet. Second thing I want to tell you is thank you. Thank you to all those who have been subscribing lately and liking the videos and commenting on my videos and sending me all their support and DMs. You know I read all the comments. I try my hardest to respond to everybody, especially if you have a question, because I want you to make my recipes and I want you to make them successfully. So if you ever have a question, don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments and we'll try my best to get back to every single one. That's it. Let's get back to the video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Mina, culinary school grad, former professional cook, and usually I give you high protein recipes. This is not a recipe, but this is very important for high protein recipes that use protein powder. In all of my recipe testing that I've been doing, I found out more and more that the taste of the protein powder that you use is so important. It's so important. And lately I've been trying to find the best one. And I bought a bag of MyProtein here, and it was not good. It just wasn't, it was not good at all. So I turned to you on Instagram and I asked you guys for your favorite, best tasting protein powder, and I got a bunch of answers and I tallied up every single answer here, and then I bought the top 4. So according to your suggestions, the top one that was recommended to me yet again was MyProtein. Now, I couldn't just ignore the fact that this was the #1 recommended protein. So I figured, you know what, maybe I bought the wrong one. That flavor just wasn't good, who knows? So I went out and very reluctantly bought another bag of MyProtein. This time it's the salted caramel one, so we'll see how this one is. I still haven't tried it, still sealed. For second and third place, it was a tie between Ghost and Dymatize Fruity Pebble. Again, these are sealed. I still haven't tried these, so I'm gonna be trying them for the first time right now. I've been very excited to try Ghost. I heard a lot of good things about it, so I have a very high expectation of this, and this stuff was not cheap. And the last recommended one was good old Optimum Nutrition. This is like the OG of all protein powders. I mean, who hasn't tried this? This was probably the first one that I ever bought back in high school, but I'm gonna try it anyway on camera. And then we have a whole collection of PEScience. So this is what I personally use right now. If you watch my videos, you know that I'm a big fan of PEScience, both for the taste and the fact that it's a casein and whey blend, but I've been trying to find other proteins out there. So the way that I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna try half a scoop of each, because I can't possibly try a scoop of 9 different protein powders. 9 flavors, 5 brands. Before I try any of these proteins, let me just tell you, this video is not sponsored by anybody. No one's paying me a dime to say any of what I'm about to say. This is just my real, honest opinion, and I bought all this protein with my own money, so this is not sponsored. All right, so I'm just gonna get the bad one out of the way. I'm gonna try the birthday cake one from MyProtein. I'm very reluctant to do this, but let's just do half a scoop. I'll tell you how it is. God, that smell already. It smells like vanilla that's gone bad. You know what? I'm not gonna do this one. Change of plans. I'm not gonna try the birthday cake because I just can't, like that smell. I thought it would be fun here to show you a little video of me recipe testing cookies, hint hint, with this same protein. Looks promising. The texture looks good. The color is good. Oh, please don't taste bad. Oh. Oh God. The texture of this is spot on though. I really think it's that flavor of the protein. Oh, it's the protein. I'm using the MyProtein birthday cake. That's not good. I have to try again. Salted caramel, MyProtein. I just noticed I bought the isolate of the salted caramel, but the birthday cake, it's just whey protein. I'm not sure if that makes a difference in the taste. On my Sweet Homer mug. I want to try to use the same amount of water that they call for. And I'm only going to be using a spoon to mix all this stuff because PEScience, I can mix it in a glass with a spoon. So this sounds like a commercial for PEScience, but I swear it's not. The color is very off-putting. Okay. That's actually not as bad as I was expecting. Definitely tastes the caramel. I don't get that protein taste at the end. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna give that an 8 out of 10. MyProtein salted caramel, 8 out of 10. Next up is Ghost. All right, I'm very excited to try this. Excited, okay. Still sealed. First time. I think the battery's gonna run out. I have to say, Ghost has probably the best branding and packaging. This even feels really nice. It smells like PB2 and chocolate. Where's the scoop? It's a red scoop. I think Ghost is the biggest scoop I've ever seen. It's 39 grams. It's about half a scoop. Is that chocolate chip chunks in here? I think there's like chocolate specks in here. I don't know if you can see that. Interesting. It mixes really well. It's crunchy. There's like little crunchy chocolate pieces in there. Oh my God. This is really good. It leaves like a cookie taste in your mouth. I kind of want to take a second scoop of this stuff. Wow. I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10. Ghost, 9 out of 10. Dymatize, Fruity Pebbles, also sealed. Oh, this is an isolate too. Ooh. Does not smell good. Like, I can't take a whiff of this. Smells like plastic. Chemicals and plastic. There's little colorful pieces in there. They look like plastic. So we're doing half a scoop. I smell the Fruity Pebbles. It doesn't have that awful smell anymore. That tastes pretty close to Fruity Pebbles. Wow. There's a weird like aftertaste at the end, but that's just what you get with a lot of the proteins, and this is honestly pretty good. It's not as good as Ghost, but that's good. I'm gonna give that an 8.5. What's next? Should we do Optimum Nutrition or go to PEScience? Let's do Optimum Nutrition just for nostalgia's sake. I think these are the like the packets. I'm not gonna do a full one either. I'm gonna do half, but this is also isolate. Is this vanilla? What is this? Oh God, is this vanilla? Oh no. Where does it say the flavor? Vanilla ice cream, okay. I don't think I've ever tried vanilla Optimum Nutrition. I always go for the chocolate or the double chocolate. This has that same smell as the MyProtein birthday cake. Just gonna take it in one shot. Oh, that's not good. No, there's like a chemically sour taste that you get. And, oh, I would not drink that again. All right, so Optimum Nutrition, I'm gonna give that like 2 out of 10. Now let's try that to the Gourmet Vanilla by PEScience. I gotta say, PEScience mixes the best. It's not as bad as the Optimum Nutrition, but I wouldn't say this is good either, honestly. Like, I don't know, there's still a weird taste in there, but the vanilla tastes a lot better in here than Optimum Nutrition. PEScience Vanilla, I give this a 5 out of 10. PEScience Snickerdoodle. Smells like a Snickerdoodle. It's good. That's good. PEScience Snickerdoodle, 8 out of 10. I feel the protein bloat. Peanut butter, PEScience. Now, I have tried this one before. I have actually bought a tub of this and finished it, so. It smells like a funky peanut butter. It's about half. Do you think I'm gonna hit my protein goal for today? It's pretty good. That's good. It tastes like peanut butter with like a hint of cookie all the way at the end. It's really good. What's next? My stomach hurts. Last one, PEScience chocolate cupcake. Now, I only use this for one purpose only, and that's just to make brownies with. I haven't used it in anything else really. I tried to make ice cream with it before and it was like okay. The flavor of this chocolate is not the greatest in my opinion. So I'm gonna try it again by itself. I've never tried this before by itself, so I'm not sure how it is. Again, I've tried this in ice cream. It wasn't my favorite, but it's good in the brownie. So maybe it depends on what you make it with. Half a scoop. I can't drink this again. It's got like a chalky feel to it, and the chocolate is just, it's very faint. There's a very faint taste of chocolate. This is good to bake with though. I will say this is pretty good in brownies, but I'm getting that same aftertaste now that I get in the brownies, and it's eye-opening because I should have tried this first just by itself, but I have never tried this before in just water. I give this honestly a 5 out of 10. It's, yeah. We have some honorable mentions. So PEScience Peanut Butter Cup. I wasn't a huge fan of this. I didn't like the peanut butter taste that they use in this. I don't know, I just didn't like it. I got it once, I didn't really buy it again. I tried it even in the brownies, it wasn't good. I wasn't a fan of this. And then the PEScience Cake Pop. This was good. I actually enjoyed this a lot, but I just had the vanilla, so I figured I don't need another vanilla one. So I'm probably going to buy this again, but this is a good one. The Cake Pop, good stuff. So I think my favorite is Ghost. I haven't tried this in baking, so I don't know how it's gonna work in baking. I'm obviously going to try it very, very, very soon, and I will let you know what happens, but that's my best tasting right now. Very impressed with the salted caramel from MyProtein. Really good. The Fruity Pebbles, I really like this as well, but I don't think this is gonna be good in baking. Only certain things. There's only certain things that I would make with this. I would make, for example, the pancakes with this. This would be good with the pancakes, but I wouldn't make, obviously, like the brownies. This would be probably good for ice cream too. This would be really good for ice cream now that I think about it. That's all the protein that I have for you today to try, and I think that's more than enough because that was a lot of protein. I'm gonna go lie down. I have a lot of videos planned. There's a lot of ideas planned and coming. I just need to get everything set up. So let me know in the meantime if you want to see that kitchen tour, and I'll probably make that the next video. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.